friends, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. So glad to have you back again. Today I'm going to show you a simple DIY that you can easily make at home. We are going to be making a natural homemade lip balm. Okay, for this lip balm I'm going to be using beetroot. So here are 2 beetroots. Okay, so I'm going to be adding salt to the water to rinse this. Okay, after rinsing, I'm just going to pat this dry. Now I'm going to start peeling this. You can use a vegetable peeler to peel this. Okay, once I'm done peeling this, I'm going to discard the skin. The next step is to grate this. You can just use a knife to chop this into smaller chunks. I'm going to grate it because I'll be blending this later. This will make it easy for the blender to blend this because we don't need much water in it. I'm going to add the grated beets into the blender. I'm going to add in a little water to make it easier to extract the juice. Now I'm going to blend this into a smooth paste. Once I have achieved a thick consistency, we are going to strain this right away. Okay, so I'm going to empty this into a strainer. Make sure you use a very fine strainer. Okay, I'm going to use a spoon to press out all the juice. Okay, once I'm done pressing out the juice, I'm going to discard the pulp. You can use this for other cosmetic purposes. You can turn it to powder and use it for face mask. Here is the juice. I'm still going to strain this the final time. This time around I'm going to be using a cheesecloth, so I'm going to wrap it into 2 to make sure there is no particle that will get in there. I'm going to empty this into a pan. I'm using a pan because I want the water to evaporate in time. Now I'm going to place the pan on heat and allow it to boil. Okay, this has started simmering, so I'm going to be stirring this every now and then. I'm going to allow this to cook until the content reduces and thickens. I've been cooking this on very low heat and the content has reduced. Now I'm just going to put off heat and leave this to cool. Okay, here is the gel. Afterwards, I'm going to bring this into a container. Just any container will do. After that, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of coconut oil. You can use petroleum jelly. I'm now going to stir this and make sure it combines. Okay, once I'm done blending this and it's well blended, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to place the cover over this cover it very well, then place in the fridge to set for 25 minutes. Okay friends, 25 minutes later I took this out of the fridge. This is what it looks like. It has settled. Look at that. It's glowing. You can use this on your lip, and our natural lip balm is ready, guys. So this was how to make a lip balm at home with a very common vegetable. I hope you loved this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, share this with your friends, and also if you are new to this channel, subscribe. Until next time, bye.